How to make a GIF in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to CapCut. Wait for the application to load. Now go to edit and then go to new project. Now select a photo. And after that, tap on add. Now your project will be loaded over here. So as you can see, this is a static photo. Now in order to make it a GIF, tap on the clip and then go to animations. After that, simply select the animation that you want, like this. You can select anything the way you want your GIF to look like. Now tick on it. So as you can see, this is how the GIF looks. Simply delete this CapCut ending logo and now go to export and make sure to export it as a GIF and not the video. You will have that option shown right on the top and done.
Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you for
Make
watching
sure to
this
like,
video.
share, and
Make sure to
subscribe to our
like,
YouTube
share, and
channel.
subscribe to our
If you
YouTube
got
channel.
any question,
If you got
comment
any
them
question,
down,
comment
and
them
I'll get
down,
you in the next
and
one.
I'll catch you in the next one.